Okay, this is Spongate Junction. A quick update on me layout, what I've been up to these past few days. I've been I went to the Gaydon show last weekend, and I'll later on the video I'll show what I've purchased. For now, I'll show what the latest section of warning I've put on my layout. As you know, building this layout is a slow process, so bear with me. It's here. It's from here all the way to about here is the add more walling. What I'll hopefully do is maybe ballast the lines, carry on with the walling right up to here. Once I've done that, I'll start thinking about putting the second skin for the upper part of the layout. And while I'm now at it, when I went to the game show, I purchased these 4 beauties, 4 JHA hopper wagons in Fossil Yeoman livery. I have already almost made a full rake of JGAs in ARC colours. And that's what I did purchase last week at the Great British Train Show at Gaydon. This is Spongate Junction saying bye for now. Anyway, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.